Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Nasir Sikandar, Director of Physical Education, Government Degree College, Qazi Ahmed, District Shaykh Benadirabad. Today we are going to study chapter number 2. It's my lecture number 3. The topic is Physical Education and Other Discipline for classes BA and BSc Part 1. Major developmental influence of physical education as a discipline. As the physical education is concerned, physical education basically grew from a predominantly medical background with major emphasis on fitness, grace in movement, and the development of character. It, it also accepted in all educational criteria and also contribute to the development of the whole student. And physical education had a role in that development. Third, major influence was the growth of sports and its acceptance into school and university curriculum. As far as the physical educational criteria of development is concerned, here the basic developmental criteria of physical education in front of you. The development of individual through discipline of physical education. According to the scientist Butcher, the physical development of an student or an individual. The objective of physical development deals with the program of activities that builds physical power of an individual through the development of various organic systems of the body. Number second, motor development. The motor development objectives are concerned with making physical movement which is useful with the little expenditure of energy as possible and being proficient, graceful, aesthetic in the movement. Number third, mental development. The mental development objectives deal with the accumulation of a body, knowledge, and the ability to think and to interpret this knowledge with others with full confidence. Number 4. Social development of an individual. The social development objectives is concerned with helping of an individual in making personal adjustment, group adjustment, and adjustments as a member of society, adjustment throughout the society with their utmost communication skills, which is being developed already in an individual. As far as the physical education development is concerned, here the typical physical education license, which includes some following characteristics which were very useful for an athlete, for an individual: fitness, skill development, knowledge, and social development. Skills drills are organized to meet the motor development objective. Number third, group activities are thought to contribute to social development. It also evaluates the students' performance while doing physical activity in the field of physical education. Their respectable teachers, their administrators of the fitness assessment, as well as a skill test and knowledge test concerned career, and also a subjective grade on social behavior and sportsmanship. There are a variety of activities was needed to fulfill the promise of this development model. team sports, individual sports, adventure activities, fitness activities, and dances all found acceptance with the multi-activity framework. Physical education as an academic discipline. A physically educated person is one who has knowledge and skill concerning her or his body and how it works. Physical education is health insurance. Physical education can contribute to academic achievement. A sound physical education program contributes to development of positive self-concept. A sound physical education program helps an individual to attain social skills. Physical education and other disciplines. Physical education in connection with other fields of knowledge, the lines between different fields of study are growing ever more. Today, we understand that not only is it possible to blend field of study together, it is in the best interest of the child to do so. It also increases the connection between fields of knowledge in a child's mind, which reinforce all of the associated fields. Physical education connects to other subject areas in the following ways: life and physical science, life and physical science, giving students an understanding of the life and physical science that stand behind physical education can greatly reinforce the learning experience for the children. For example, the physics of the force and the leverage can give children insight into the mechanics of the gymnastic activities. The biology of the carbohydrates turning into the fuel for the muscles and the protein used to rebuild muscle tissue can grant insight into the study of the nutrition. Social sciences is concerned, examination of the styles of the interaction within a between groups in a competitive team-based game and sports such as soccer, dodgeball, and interaction between children in competitive individual activities like running or race, and between children in a competitive individual activities and their interaction between children and engaging personal achievement. Individual activities like gymnastic training where no one is competing help children to understand the concept of social organization and interaction, and also help them to draw parallels with physical education experiences and other contexts. Health sciences. Children who are taught the relationship between physical activity and health, not just in general, exercise is good for you, sort of the way, but in a more detailed manner. Example like fitness is aerobic fitness is training stimulates the cardiovascular system, which strengthens the heart and increase the yield of oxygen per heartbeat. Are much more likely to look to fitness training as a potential response to health problems. As far as mathematics and language arts are concerned, these two fields are more peripherally connected to the physical education. The connection here are more in use of mathematics and language of arts as medium to better quantify and communicate achievement. Visual and performing arts. There is a great deal of overlap between movement activities and visual with performing arts, whether it is strenuous work for painting of large canvas or the more obvious artistic activities of gymnastics or martial arts. Physical education also helping students to see the connection between these two disciplines can stimulate crossovers from one to another, which helping children to broaden their horizons in the field of sports, in the field of education, in the field of in the field of medical, in the field of health. Thank you.